So Entropic just released yet another new feature called computer use, which now allows it to get access to our computer directly without having to use any kind of proxy or connectors. This means that it is now able to natively control our computers as we do using our keyboard and mouse. So according to Entropic, it is currently available as a research preview in Cloud Cowork and Cloud Code, and it's also only available for Mac users. And I'm sure you noticed that I'm currently not on a Mac, so I'm not able to use it on this computer. However, I do have a laptop which is a MacBook, and I did use it over there, and I also recorded my screen. And so we're going to look at the recordings together now and see how I was able to set it up, how I used it, and what it was able to do. All right, so the first thing I had to do was I had to head over to the settings page and toggle the permissions for the computer use, because without that, Claude is not able to access our computer. All right, so for this, I used Dispatch to communicate with Cloud Cowork. And for those of you who don't know what Dispatch is, it basically allows you to send messages to Cloud Cowork directly through your phone. And in this case, because now it's able to use our computers natively, I can basically just be wherever I want away from my computer and just have Cloud Cowork open on it. And from here, I would be able to now tell it to do stuff on my computer while I'm not at home, and it would be able to do that, right? And you can see here that this is the prompt that I sent it. It says, create a simple Excel spreadsheet on my computer using the computer use tool. I say you need to download it first, but this was a misunderstanding. Later, I came to find out. But anyway, the next line says, make a small table with around 5 columns and 5 rows. Use basic business related fields like product, price, quantity, etc. and fill it with realistic sample data. Keep it clean and easy to read. Save the file as simple business report.excel. Remember, use the computer use tool and do everything from my computer. And when I sent this prompt, it asked me permission to open and use Microsoft Excel, and I allowed this permission again through my phone. Once I accept, you can see that it enters this new mode, and it indicates so with the text on the screen and also the borders around the edges of the screen as well. And at this point, it is just Claude using my computer. Remember, it's using it natively without any kind of connectors or any kinds of proxy. Instead, it is basically using it the way I would with my keyboard and mouse. And it was able to open up an Excel file and also a new spreadsheet. And now it's going to start adding the rows and columns as I told it to. I'm not sure what kind of mechanism it uses under the hood to actually do that in that particular way, but it was able to basically do exactly as I told it, adding 5 columns and filling it up with some realistic sample data. And I also told it to save it as simple underscore business underscore report. But before it does that, it is actually formatting the table to actually look like a table. And you can see that it is currently doing that. And there you go. You can see that it formatted the table to look like one. Now let me actually speed this up so that we can see it faster. All right, so now this is at 2 times the normal speed, and we have 4 minutes. And the entire thing took Claude around, I think, 6 to 7 minutes to complete. No pun intended, by the way. You can see that it did another kind of formatting again. And the next thing it is going to work on is to turn the relevant fields into currency. All right, so at this point, quantity is also set to a currency, but you can see that it already realized that and it is fixing it. All right, so now you can see that it is changing the data type of quantity to number, and it's also going to change the decimal places to 0 to make it whole numbers. And as you can see, it was able to correctly do so, which is obviously simple, but the fact that it is doing it by controlling my computer makes this more impressive. All right, so as you can see, it was also able to complete the final part of the task, which was to name it to simple underscore business underscore report. And with that, it was able to successfully complete the task, and yeah, it's definitely impressive in my opinion. But yeah, that's about it. This is the new computer use feature that Anthropic just dropped, and I'm definitely going to continue experimenting with it and see what kind of workflow processes I can actually automate with this. And as I do, I'm going to let you guys know. But I hope you enjoyed the video and you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this. But also don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.